everyone, Jackie here from JMC Creates. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a card, okay, and this is like two different versions with the same steps in it, okay. So in this first one I used gorgeous grape and white for my layer. These stars, and the stars come from Tabs for Everything, and the wee circles and that come from the Myths of Magic. And then the inks are Blueberry Bushel and Gorgeous Grape. And I die cut. What I'm using is the Broadway Bound. Okay, I'm using stamps. I'm using the Hooray for inside, and I'm going to do the hats like this on this one. And I'm using the Wish, Big Wish, and then the framelit to cut out the hats. Okay, and that is from the Myths of Magic, which is retired. Okay, and I just thought that looked like a night sky and my wee unicorns out roaming about. And then Gorgeous Grape and Blueberry Bushel. Okay, and that was number one. Then I did this one. Now the background for this one is actually made with the abstract impressions. It's the same as that one. I stamped with Versamark embossed in white and then inked over it. Okay, and in this one we used mint macaron and what was that pink called? What's that called? Powder pink, mint macaron and powder pink. Okay, and the stamps are from the Broadway. Hold on a minute, I can hear that blinking Riley boy crying. Right, you couldn't just nudge the door open, I had to get up and open it and let him in. And poor David's sleeping, he's in nights, and here he comes. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed, you bad boy. Yes you are, you're a bad boy. Get off the camera. There. Right. Sorry, I shouldn't pet him, keep him there. Right, anyway. No. Okay. Right, sorry about that. I had to stop and pet him. But he's going to bed now. There he is. Right, so we can get peace now. So where was I? This wish, I cut it out 3 times, layered them together, and sprayed it with Crafter's Companion Stick and Stay, and put some glitter on it. And this time I'm using yellow glitter. And I've already done it, although I still have the other 2 to stick behind. Okay, so the colours, we sorted that one out, didn't we? Yes, right, okay, that's that one out. Where's the envelopes? Okay, there you go. Right, what are we using this time? Pineapple Punch and Blackberry Bliss. Oh no, not Blackberry Bliss, Merry Merlow. Right, I'm going to put the Hooray on the inside. I'm going to use the hat stamp. I'm going to use the hat framelit. I've already cut out the Wish 3 times. And I'm using background bits this time. I'm going to stamp it with Versamark and emboss in white powder. And do you know what I did to my piece of card this time, if I could find it? I actually ran this little die down all 4 sides just to see how it works out. I can't remember where I put it. So if I find it, I'll let you know. So what are we going to do? First things first is you need to stamp your background. No, sorry, I'm wrong. First thing first is I want to stamp my inside. That's what we want first. And we are going to use the hooray, and we're going to do the hooray in yellow, and then do the other one over the top of it in Merry Merlow. Okay, so they'll have it on the wrong side, yes. There we go. There she blows. My grandson used to love a cartoon called Jake and the Neverland Pirates, and that's all we ever listened to. There she blows. Right, yellow. Ooh, I like it, I like it. We'll just give it another go, just because we can. Right, go you over there, come you over here. I need a way. I'm trying to get 3 videos done today. I have the stuff all sitting there ready to do. Right, put that bit back. And now you want the one that goes on top of it, which is this one. I'm going to bring it a bit over so that I can try and see what I'm doing. Excuse the heat in the way. It needs must. I can't see that yellow very well at all. Oh, boulder dash. I forgot about my eyesight. Right, I'm going to give it a go and see what happens. Make sure you cross your fingers and toes. And if this doesn't work, it will be edited. Yay! Not too bad. I can live with that. Consider my eyesight's blinking atrocious. Right, so that's our inside for our card. Put that over there. Clean that off and put it away. So you've got the wish stamp in here as well that does that too, and I like that. Okay, right, I'm going to be needing that again. Okay, now you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to stamp my hats while I remember, because I may have to double stamp them too if I'm using yellow to get it to show up. So we want our hat, which is this one, and we're going to do 3 yellow and 2 Merry Merlow. Oops. So we're going to go yellow. Oops, where is it? Right. And then move it to there and repeat. Go back out of the way, Willers. One, 2, skip a few, 99, 100. That's what I used to teach Taylor. 1, 2, skip a few, 99, 100. Used to think I was mad. And I probably am slightly mad, but hey. Makes for an interesting life. Get on there, you blinking beast. When I tell you to do something, do it. There. Sorry if this is out of shot, but my tripod leg is in the way. Ugh. Right, and then we're going to clean that, and we're going to do 2, and I hope this colour scheme works, because I just did a wee light test, nothing to see if I liked it. So, Merry Merlow, and actually I meant to nope. I meant to use Blackberry Bliss. Okay. So, can I get another one in there? Oops, no, I went and lifted this thing off. Right, I've got 4, I need one more. Good job of plenty of scraps of white, isn't it? Right, you are going there. Oh, I am so sorry this is out of shot, but my tripod leg is in the way. See? Oh. Right, that'll do us. We'll be doing another one just in case. I think we better knowing me. Oh, right. There. That'll do us. That's our hats done. Right, that would be a good idea to put them somewhere I could find them again, wouldn't it? When I need them later, when I'm doing my die cutting. The thing about that is you waste a white lot of ink on your doodad watch it. Your thingamajig, whatever it is, platform. Hey, you know, persevere and you get there in the end. So, it's your birthday. Oh yes, I need to stamp that. It's your birthday too. Right. Give me that jiggy, me say. Give me that Jimmy my sig, and I need to do this in Mary Merlow. Right. I want just a wee skinny strip. To put on top of that wish. Okay. And it's much better to use your stamping thing because at least you get it right. And if it's a pale colour, doing it twice is quite often the best idea, right? So that's that bit done too. Let's hope I don't lose that. Now, I'm sure there's nothing else while I'm at it. I've done my wish, I've done my hats, I've done my birthday. I've cut out my die things, right? Go you over there. And go you over there, right? Where am I now? I need to do my background. If I can find it. Right, I'm just going to do that with my hands. Okay? So, embossing buddy. And I'm using that wee circle one for background bits. I just need a wee block and some Versamark. Can you see that where I did that wee stitch thing? It's quite cute. That's if you can see it. Forgot to pay attention to where I was stamping there. Right, I'm just going to put powder on that and heat it up and come back. Right, so I did that in white powder, embossed in white powder, and I also took a little tiny stamp from Party Pandas and filled it in some places, this little one here, that I thought were a bit there. And now is the moment of testing and see how we got on, and I'm going to do it with a brush to start off with, and that's all I'm doing. Okay. So it's just a matter of building it up as much colour as little as you want. You can also do it, I might actually put on some in a minute with the wee sponge if I want it darker or deeper. Okay. And then when you're finished you can go over it all with a nice dry cloth. And it'll be pretty. You'll see the white stand out even more then. Okay. Right, that'll do for that one. Let's try this one. see what I think. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Didn't take enough off. That'll be that. Oops. Oopsie. Oopsie. You get, I like using the brushes, but you do get more. But this is harder in my hands. So it is. So just as little or as much as you want. I don't want that to look like a straight line. Right. I'm just going to quickly go over, especially the joint bits with the yellow, to make sure I get a good, right, cloth, need a cloth, I need a dry cloth. Right. There you go. And that is our lovely piece of background. Okay, put those back in their drawer. Those can go upstairs, shut up the inks. I don't mean upstairs, I mean up there. My craft room actually is up the stairs because going up and down the stairs is difficult at times. So we have a spare bedroom, so my husband turned it into a craft room. Right, I'm not sure that that actually goes now because it looks more orange than yellow. But I've done the wish in yellow, so it'll have to do. 5 3/4 by 8 1/4 scored at 4 1/8 is your base, and that is the wrong card. It needs to be Mary Murrow, that's Blackberry Bliss. Okay, back in a minute. Right. There's still a bit over there and it's annoying me, so I'm just going to figure out where it is and cut it off. Right. Anyway, where were we? Pineapple punch. Pineapple punch, and we're just going to go with it. Oops. An orange might have been nicer, but I did intend it to be more yellow than it is, so oops. It'll do. No, it has to go up a bit. Okay, and then your background that you made. I'm quite into making these backgrounds at the minute. I find them fun. Oh, come on, don't run out now. Don't leave me this way, or I'll poke you in the nose and stand on your toes. Right, there we go. What did we do with our inside piece? We'll just put that in now. That's more yellow. Okay. There we go. Right, there we go. Now we want to put on our wish. You see, it's much more yellow. They call it mellow yellow. And we want to glue that on about there. Okay. And we want to use actual glue. So, chances are I shall be bringing this towards me to make sure that I have it where I want it. Okay? So, please forgive me. Right there. Right, glue in the other one. There. What we get. What do you think of that? Not bad, Sham. Not bad at all. Right. Hats. Hats. Oh, hats. Oh, hats. Oh, hats. 3 yellow and 2 purple. I think to bring out the yellow. To bring out the yellow. Like that. Like that. And like that. What do you think? I quite like that. Oh yes, I do. Now, foam tape. Really thin strips of foam tape. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so put your foam tape on the back of your little hats. So that they stand out from your page. So this is my second video today, and I am hoping to do one more. Today being the something of June. No idea what date it is today. That's nothing usual for me. Like the 16th, is it maybe? Who knows? Right, 1, 2. I don't want to get confused here. 1, 2. This is the last one here. So put the 2 outer ones first. Oh, come off. If you can get the tape off, that is. Hallelujah. 1. 2. 1, 2, skip a few, 99, 100. 1, 2, Now let's try and get the middle one in the middle. That would be a very good idea. But I'm making you no promises. So about-ish, about-ish, about-ish. My eye says about-ish there. Okay. So, one Mary Merlo one. And another Mary Merlo one. I think I would, don't know. I don't know. Right, okay, what's left? Yes, we want to put our strip on. And it says, it's your birthday, wish. Or wish it's your birthday, whichever you would like it to say. And I am going to cut it at an angle, there, and at an angle, there. And then we need tape for that, and it's going to sit on top of there. And hey presto, Bob's your uncle and Fanny's your aunt. I said that in another video, I think it was Ruth said to me, she remembered that saying too. That's all you heard from our parents. Bob's your uncle and Fanny's your aunt. Look, my dirty fingers is coming off in that. Ooh. Right. One more strip. Then we are going to take off this. If we can get it off. Right, I need this over here to attempt to get it straight. Wish it's your birthday. There we go. Now, the problem is, what colour gems shall I use? Yellow and orange, maybe. Orange and the yellow and yellow on the red. Let's give it a go. You don't know till you give it a go. One, two, three. And yellow and the orange. Orange and the yellow and yellow on the red. Oops. Cut up this way. Let's see what the crack is. Nope. Right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So these are gems that I get in the pound shop. Don't know what it's called. I didn't realise till a couple of weeks ago that you get a pound land. And then, can't remember what the other one is. I thought it was just all one shop. Pound, no. See, you learn something new every day. Right. Now, yellow. And yellow. And we'll put a yellow as our wish. And there we are. There's our gorgeous card. Ooh, I do like that. It's so different for me. So, here you go. I hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you would subscribe, that would be great. And come back for some more. Jackie out.